morning all of you. Hydroxy compounds, alcohols. In this video we are going to discuss about reduction and oxidation of phenol. First we are going to discuss about reduction of phenol. Addition of hydrogen is called reduction. Now I give one example of reduction reaction of alkene. The first alkene, the double bonded compound ethene, when reduced in presence of nickel and heated to with hydrogen, one hydrogen is added to one carbon. Double bonded compound usually undergo addition reaction. Another hydrogen is added to another carbon. A double bond is converted into single bond, gives ethane, CH3, CH3, 2 carbon eth, single bond N ethane. And remember, to convert a double bond into a single bond, one molecule of H2 is used. One molecule of H2 is used. In phenol, we have 3 double bonds, C6, H5, OH. We have 3 double bonds, 1, 2, 3. To convert one double bond, one H2 is used. To convert 3 double bond, 3 H2 molecules are used. The reaction takes place in presence of nickel. We know nickel is used to reduce the double bond. Lithium aluminum hydride used to reduce aldehyde. Nickel, platinum, palladium used to reduce double bond. To each double bonded carbon atom, one H is added. We have 6 hydrogen. Here one hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. 6 hydrogens are added, and finally all the double bonds are converted into single bond, gives cyclohexanol. 6 carbon hex, single bond N, OH. This is cyclohexanol. Reduction of phenol gives cyclohexanol. And in the oxidation, I would like to tell one more point. In aromatic compound oxidation, remember one thing. For example, benzene ring containing one methyl group called toluene or methylbenzene. Benzene ring contain one side chain, ethyl group, ethylbenzene. Benzene group contain one isopropyl group, nothing but your cumene, CH3, CH, CH3, cumene. Benzene ring containing aldehydic functional group, benzaldehyde. Benzene ring containing ketone functional group, COCH3. Benzene ring containing one more ketone functional group, COC6H5. Toluene, ethylbenzene, cumene, benzaldehyde, acetophenone, benzophenone. Remember one thing. During the oxidation of aromatic compound, if the side chain contain carbon and hydrogen, no worry about number of carbon and number of hydrogen. No worry about number of carbon and number of hydrogen. If the side chain containing carbon and hydrogen, on oxidation, the whole side chain is completely converted into carboxylic acid functional group. No worry about number of carbon and hydrogen. The excess of that carbons are removed as carbon dioxide during oxidation. Excess of hydrogens are converted into water molecule. All the side chain derivative, the condition is that side chain derivative should contain carbon and hydrogen. And one more 2 compounds we are going to study, that is phenol, C6H5OH, and aniline, C6H5NH2, phenol and aniline. The side chain does not containing carbon and hydrogen, but there is no carbon. These two compound on oxidation gives 1,4-benzoquinone. So remember, only there are two oxidized product of aromatic compound. If the side chain containing carbon and hydrogen, whole side chain on oxidation is converted into carboxylic acid functional group, benzoic acid is obtained. Another condition, the side chain not containing carbon, it on oxidation, both the phenol and aniline on oxidation gives 1,4-benzoquinone. One more aromatic compound we have, that is nitrobenzene, C6H5NO2. It does not undergo oxidation, it undergo only reduction. Acidic medium, basic medium, neutral medium, only reduction reaction we have in nitrobenzene. Keep this in mind. Now come to oxidation of phenol. Oxidation of phenol, C6H5OH, 1, 2, 3, here you have 1 OH. The oxidizing agent used in this reaction is acidified potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7, acidified with potassium sulfuric acid. Now I remove one para hydrogen also. Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. One H, another H, and oxygen is removed as H2O. Now this bond is shifted between carbon and oxygen. Here also one bond shifting takes place due to repulsive force. This bond comes out. Already here there is one single bond. So now after this bond comes out, a double bond is formed. To that double bond we can add this oxygen. Now write the molecular formula of the product. Here you have one double bonded oxygen. Here one double bond. This bond is shifted and this bond comes out. Already it containing one bond, another bond, double bond, add this oxygen plus loss of H2O in the first and fourth carbon atom. 1,4 benzoquinone or simply quinone. It is a ketone. C double bond O, C double bond O. It is a ketone. This is a oxidation of phenol. Remember, keep this in mind. It will help you. Oxidation of aromatic compound. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.